Goa State Assembly elections are set for February 14th. On this occasion, candidates are campaigning furiously.
Anybody who died for the sake of the country? Nobody has died. Under the leadership of Mr. Mahatma Gandhi ji, lot of Congress people have died who lost their properties. Is it not a fact? Tell me. Is it a fact or not? Exactly. Tell me who died for the sake of the Bharat Mata. BJP people were never in the independent struggle.
See, in Goa, the wave is very clear that it is Congress. And when the Karnataka leaders came here, people were fully charged, and I'm confident that people of Karnataka who are living here, 13,500, and people of Goa, is decided that the other parties who have come here, TMC, AAP, other independent parties who are contesting independent, are come the intention to divide our votes. And people have had enough for the last 10 years. We have seen COVID mismanagement even after having a Dr. CM. We have seen the price rise. We have seen unemployment. Today we have a Verna industrial state. Companies are shutting down. I am also a union leader, so I know what is happening in companies where they are in very bad situation. So people have decided, and people have suffered too much, so they have decided in Goa that Congress will come. My plus point is for the last 10 years, I have been actively involving with the common people. I have been working with the fishing community. I have been working with the farmers community. I have been working with the laborers community. I am representing them in their different unions. So I understand their problem, and I have been working genuinely with them. But today, sadly in politics, what has happened, just 6 months before all leaders wake up, and then they spend money and they think they can win. But this is not, people have understood this, that for just 2-3 days they will not take money and vote. I know TMC is spending money, I know Amani Party is spending money, I know the BJP is spending money, but people will decide to vote the right candidate and right face and a right party which has been there from independence. It will remain till it is there today and will remain tomorrow. Yeah, I appeal to each and every people of the constituency, especially Kortali and Goa, that please do not divide your votes. Vote for one party, vote for decisive mandate, and I am confident and I am sure if you see the manifesto of Congress Party, it is about youth, it is about women empowerment. First time in India, if you seen 30% reservation are given for women in government job and in private sector. Petrol also will be reduced. So all these things will ultimately help the people of Goa for the next 5 years.